Hello everyone, this is Kathy from Kathy's Jewelry and Crafts. Today I'm just going to make a little short video and show you how to make these happy birthday money cards. This is a simple one. You can embellish this any way you like by putting graphics on here, cutting the corners, doing all kind of fun stuff. But if you forgot somebody's birthday, or if you just wanted to make something for them, then you can make this really in like 10 minutes or less if you have all the proper tools, and it's not many that you will need. I will be using some sophisticated ones like the Sizzix Big Shot, but you can use scissors for this if you can cut right in the middle. All right, so let's begin. The first thing you're going to need is some cardstock. Okay, I have two colors. I've already printed mine. You want to put it through the computer, or if you can draw really well, you can just draw on there. I just put happy birthday. I put a 2.5 inch circle on there, and then have a great day. So it's very simple and to the point. And then I have a backing. Okay, so I'm going to have, the first thing I'm going to do is cut this down so it will fit through my big shot rather. All right, so I'm not good at cutting. I do have a manual cutter that I could probably cut even lines, but this is just for demonstration purposes, so please forgive me if my lines aren't straight. So I'm just gonna cut like right here up the middle. I'm gonna let that fall to the floor, then I'm gonna try it, see if it'll fit. Still a little too wide, so I'm gonna cut a little more. And I probably should have cut from the other side too, so everything will be centered. But when you're getting cold hard cash, I don't think you care if it's centered. But anyway, so now it will fit, but I am going to cut the other side because it's not fitting the way I want it to fit. And then I'm going to cut a little off the bottom. Okay. So now we have a pink and a white one behind it so far, and that should fit nicely into there. Okay, so now I'm gonna remove the white one, and I'm gonna just work with the pink one, and I'm going to get my circle cutter out, and all I want to do is cut that circle out. So these come well, these are at Hobby Lobby in the Sizzix area, and so I have a bunch of these. And so I just wanted to make sure it's the size of that circle, which it is. Put it right there. And then, sorry if I'm reaching across the camera. I have only one hand. Well, I guess I have both hands because the phone is actually on a stand, but I'm so used to working with one hand. All right, so I'm just going to sandwich that between the two cutters. Let's see if I can get that. I guess I could show you. So I'm going to put this on here just like that. I don't think I need that one. And I'm going to put it right in the circle. And I want to make sure all that black is gone. So I'm going to put it like that. And then I'm going to sandwich them just like that. And hopefully you can see, and my hand is not too far in the way. And I'm just going to push it in there. And I guess I did need that other thing because it's not tight enough. So let's just pull it out. And easy. We're just going to put that on top. Mine, I've used these so much, they're kind of bent, but it'll still do the job. And I'll just put that on top. I may have to stand up because this is going to be really tight to do this. But we'll put it in there. Put it right there, and I want to make sure that there's no black lines showing. Excuse me, I should probably be standing up, but and then I'm going to put that right in there, and like I said, it's gonna be tight. So I'm gonna have to stand up And when I did that, it slid off my circle. Come on. Believe it or not, I just did this like 10 minutes ago and it was perfect. But of course on the camera, it doesn't want to make me great. So I'm going to, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to switch these two. That's the problem right there. I'm going to switch. It doesn't matter. It's just that this one is all cut up, this one. And so I would rather that one be on the top. There we go. All right, so let's put this one on and make sure we got them lined up. Put that one there. Holding that perfectly. Then I'll put that one on. And it should be fine. Now let's rattle that through. And move it over slightly. I don't want it to cut nothing but the circle. It's hard to see through this. This one is all messed up now. I can hear this cutting. You want to hear that little grinding sound. All right, we got it. It never took me that long to cut a circle before. But as you can see, it is now cut out, okay? Whew, I need a drink of my Nitro Pepsi there. Oh, that was good. Okay, so next, we can put this away because we won't be needing that anymore. And really, this thing is easy to use. I don't know why it took me that long to do that. But anyway, so we got that. This came out, we can toss. We can put this back in the bag. I hate to lose these because whenever I need to cut something, I want them all to be in the bag and I have a drawer for them. All these scraps can go in the garbage. Oh, oops. Not that one. That's not a scrap. That's the back of our cart. Okay. So then what I did was you don't have to buy these, but for this purpose, I bought a pack of shaker domes. Okay, and this, I'm just showing you the actual packaging that comes in. I got it off of Amazon. I will put a link below. It is affiliate link, so if you click on it, I'll get like a penny or something. I don't know. But anyway, so this is what comes in there, little domes, and it has like a little sticky thing on top, and you just pull that off. Now, you don't have to buy this. I'm going to show you in a minute what you can do instead of this. So, but anyway, I'm going to put this right on top. I'll pick it up so you can see it. I'm going to glue it right there. And it'll stick. You can see we have our little bubble on the front now. And then our other paper, I can't talk or do anything, will go like that. And then you'll just glue them together. You could also put these little things inside if you want some little, shaker things inside. Here's some little hearts. I'm not going to do that. I am going to take my dollar. I didn't glue this on one side so I could take my 20 back out. And I'm going to put that inside of this one so you can see how I do it. I mean, I'm sure at this point you know how to do it. But you just put that in there like that. And then you're just going to glue the two cards together. Now, if you want the edges to be pretty, I have all these pretty scissors that I bought a long time ago from, I think, Walmart. And they all do some kind of cute little cut on paper. So you could cut, I messed that up. But anyway, you could cut different shapes on your corners. But I didn't like that, so I'm going to correct that. And I'm just going to cut like swerved corners like I did the first card. And I'm probably not doing the best. This one I messed up, so I'm gonna have to just chalk it up to being on camera. All right, so you could do anything with your corners. Each one of these scissors have different shapes, so I may go through and find one that's cute and do the corners a little better. But anyway, that's how you do that. And then you could just take regular glue, or you could take Mod Podge or anything and just glue, because this part is glued in. So all you need to do is glue the backing card to that, and you have a card. Now, remember I told you there's something else you could use for the little bubble. If you go to a dollar store, you could buy chapstick, and the little container it comes in will be a square one, or even this Elmer's glue stick. It came with one. So you could actually take that off, cut the sides real neatly, like that. You may want to take that, you might want to cut this all the way down so it doesn't say glue stick. Let me see if I can do that real quickly. And you can use that as your holder for your money. All right, so now we got that. And you would just, instead of gluing this one on, you would glue that one on. You could just glue it on top. You don't even need a hole. And then put your money in. So there's a lot of things that come like that you can use. This one had 2 glue sticks, so it's kind of goofy, but you could put 2 different bills in there. But anyway, so this is the rage everybody's doing online, is these little money cards. They do the little ones. Sometimes they'll put a picture of a person on there. You can put the person's picture on there if you want. But I thought it was such a cute idea that I wanted to make it and show you how easy you could do. And like I say, this is just cardstock. I put right in my laser printer. You can put in your inkjet and print anything you want on the card. And then punch it out. I also have hole punches, but the problem with that was I tried it earlier and I have a 2.5, but you would have to get it over to the middle. So I guess you could do a small card and then put it on the edge and do it. But for a card this size, it didn't work for me. But you could also just bend this, while it's whole, bend it and cut, on the bend and cut the circle out that way too. So there's a lot of ways you could do it. All right. Well, thank you. Please subscribe and like my channel if you like it. And I'll see you on my next video. This has been Kathy. Bye.